Pastor Apollo Kibuloy hindi naman daw nahuli ayon sa kanyang abogado na si Attorney Ferdinand Topacio. Narito ang kanyang pahayag. Good evening. Based on a reliable information, our client Pastor Apollo C. Kibuloy voluntarily surrendered to the Armed Forces of the Philippines, specifically the Intelligence Service of the Armed Forces or ISAF. He was not arrested, especially not by the Philippine National Police under the DILG. Therefore, it is an appeal to the highest level for Secretary Abalos to be seemingly taking credit for the non-existent arrests. As usual, Pastor Kibuloy legal team shall continue to protect his right under the Constitution and the laws as we prepare for his defense. So, yon. Base sa ating source, according to the Times source, Pastor Apollo Kibuloy traveled from North Cotabato, accompanied by the Army Intelligence Officer, used an access road leading to the KOGC hangar, next to the old airport where he surrendered to ISAF Chief Major General Edmundo Peralta on September 8. He did not surrender inside KOGC compound. So malinaw na hindi sa loob ng KOGC compound. At taliwas ito doon sa interview kay General Torre na sinasabi na nandoon lang sa loob ng KOGC compound si Pastor Apollo Kibuloy. Alam naman natin na sa loob ng 16 days ay wala silang nahanap na pastor doon. So mali ang kanilang resource at mali ang kanilang mga intelligence. And according to Attorney Topacio is claiming the credit from the DILG. Under the DILG kasi ang PNP. So sa tingin nyo mga kapopong, sino ang nagsasabi dito ng totoo? But malinaw na sinabi ni Attorney Topacio na this is from ISAF or sa Army Intelligence ng Armed Forces of the Philippines. Siya sumuko at lumipad sila from Cotabato. So hanggang dito na lang muna ang ating trending news update for today at abangan natin ang mga susunod na updates dito sa kasong ito at kung ano ang mangyayari at saan dadalhin si Pastor Apollo Kibuloy.